Dear students, today the small topic is shifting of origin करेंगे. Shifting of origin means if origin is there, then it should be related to coordinate axis, right? That is, this is the x-axis, this is the y-axis, and this is the origin where the intersection part of x and y-axis is called origin, and the coordinates are 0, 0, and it is represented by capital O. Right? If it is ordinate means coordinate axis means this is the distance from x-axis. Suppose let it be x, and this is the distance from y-axis. This is small y. So the intersection point of these 2 points is called P of xy. Means x comma y is a coordinate where x is the distance from origin to x-axis and y is the distance from O to y. Correct. Now observe carefully. We are shifting origin from here to somewhere else without changing the direction. So abhi this is the origin, right? This is O. Now this complete system is moved towards like this. That means the origin is changed to here. इसका मतलब it is moving. That means now it is not 0, 0. Let it be. ये वो है ना, तो ये भी origin ही है, तो वो dash करेंगे and let it be h, k. Correct? Now before with respect to origin the point is P of xy, right? It is somewhere else. Suppose it is here. This is P of x is there in before system. The system is now transformed to certain distance h, k. Then what about this P? This point P of x, y is also shifted to here ना, right? पूरा shift हुआ है ना. Now ये हुआ है Q of लेंगे capital X, capital Y. Observe carefully. Right? So now this is the coordinate system and we shifted this system towards the same direction. Right? So before this is Y and this is P. Now it is O dash. Now it is Q. Right? Now what are the points? O is 0, 0. It has shifted to h, k. That is O dash. And P of x, y shifted to Q of x, y. Capital X, y. Now what is the relation between these h, k, x, y and capital X, y? Simple. This is old coordinate, that is before shifting x. After shifting हो जाएगा x plus h. y is the before shifting point. ये हो जाएगा capital Y plus k. This is the relation between old coordinates, shifting of origin and the next new coordinates. Listen carefully. If you did not understand, please go previous record. तो now आ गया है x is equal to x plus h, y is equal to y plus k, right? Where small x comma small y are old coordinates, means old system पे है वो coordinates. Small x comma small y are new coordinates. Means this is before shifting and this is after shifting. Right? Now h, k is new origin. Correct? Now the relation is x is equal to capital X plus h and small y is equal to capital Y plus k. right? Now we will go through sums. Now question number 7 in exercise 5.1 locus chapter में है, if the origin is shifted to the point O dash of 2 comma 3, the axis remaining parallel to the original axis, right? Find the new coordinates of the points. इसका मतलब क्या फाइंड आउट करना है? न्यू कोऑर्डिनेट्स मीन्स कैपिटल एक्स कामा कैपिटल वाई फाइंड आउट करना है एंड द गिवन पॉइंट्स आर ए ऑफ 1 comma 3, b of 2 comma 5 means two individual questions are given, right? So what is given information? Shifted origin is given and old coordinates are given and you need to find the new coordinates, right? We will write the information first. Yes, this is a bit, right? H comma की shifted origin is 2 comma 3, old coordinate small x comma y is 1 comma 3 and find out new coordinates, right? Therefore we have x is equal to x plus h, right? Small x is 1, capital X find out करना है और h is 2. तो क्या हुआ है? कैपिटल X 1 minus 2 is equal to capital X means capital X is equal to minus 1, correct? Now the next formula is y is equal to capital Y plus k. तो small y is given as 3, capital Y find out करना है और k is plus 3. Now 3 minus 3 equal to capital Y means y is equal to क्या हुआ है? 0. Therefore new coordinates capital X comma capital Y is equal to minus 1 comma 0, right? Now do second bit, that is same origin, right? O dash h comma k is same, that is 1 comma 2 comma 3, but point B is given as 2 comma 5. This is small x comma small y. Now find capital X comma capital Y, right? So do it. Next question. What is given? Eighth question. If the origin is shifted to the point O dash of 1 comma 3, the axis remaining parallel to the original axis, find the old coordinates of the points. इसका मतलब find old coordinates means small x comma small y हमको find out करना है. That means the remaining is h comma k and capital X comma y is given, correct? Yes. So h comma k is given and capital X comma y given and old coordinates मतलब small x y वो find out करना है हमें. Therefore what is the relation between these three variables? Capital X equal to x plus h. तो x is equal to capital X is 5 or h is 1. That means x is equal to 6. Now y is equal to capital Y small y plus k. So small y is equal to capital Y is 4 and k value is 3. That implies y is equal to 7. Therefore old coordinates means small x comma small y is equal to 6 comma 7. कितना आसान है? Is there any doubt? Right? Now B bit आप कीजिए. So what is the given point? So second bit, the same origin 1 h comma k 1 comma 3, capital XY is given as 3 comma 3. Find small xy, that is old coordinates find out करना है. Right? Do it. Now question number 9. What is given? If the coordinates 5 comma 14 change to 8 comma 3 by shift of origin, find the coordinates of the point where the origin is shifted. So find out h comma k if the coordinates 5 comma 14 changes to 8 comma 3. Therefore what is small xy and what is capital XY, right? Small xy is 5 comma 14 and change to 8 comma 3 means new coordinates are x, y, comma 3, right? So the point x comma y changes to small xy changes to capital XY by shifting of origin. Find the origin. Therefore, this is small xy and this is capital XY. Therefore, h comma phi, h comma k find out करना है. Relation is same. X is equal to x plus h. Y is equal to, this is small y, this is capital Y plus k. So small x is 5, capital X is 8 plus h. So 5 minus 8 is equal to h means h is equal to minus 3. And small y is 14 is equal to capital Y is 3 plus k. So 14 minus 3 is equal to k means k is equal to 11. Therefore, new origin h comma k is equal to minus 3 comma 11. Any doubt? Right. Now observe the question number 10. Obtain the new equations of the following loci if the origin is shifted to the point O dash of 2 comma 2, the direction of axis remaining the same. Right, in the same direction में origin only shifted. तो new equation find out करना है हमें. Right. So first we will write the given information. So new origin 2 comma 2. Therefore x is equal to x plus h है ना, which is nothing but x is equal to x plus 2 हुआ है और y is equal to y plus k हुआ है ना. Therefore y is equal to y plus 2 हुआ है. Right. Now this is the new coordinate system. तो old coordinate system में equation दिया गया है. Therefore what is the given equation is 3x minus y plus 2 is equal to 0. 3x minus y plus 2 equal to 0, right? Right. 3x minus y plus 2 equal to 0 is the equation before shifting the origin. After shifting the origin क्या हुआ है? x हुआ है x plus 2, y हुआ है y plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 0. हो गया? Now simplify it. 3 into x, 3x, 3 into 2, 6, minus into y, minus, plus into minus, minus 2, plus 2 equal to 0. This minus 2 and plus 2 is getting cancelled. Now x term, next y, next constant equal to 0 is the required locus. Or loci is the plural form. Locus is the singular form. Got it? Yes. Now for b bit also values are same. X and y values. This value and this value is same, right? Why? Because we are doing the same question. Under that 3 sub questions are there. Right. Second question I will do. Why? Because it has squares. Now what is the b bit? X square plus y square minus 3x is equal to 7. Right? We will do this. Now new equation required, right? Therefore replace x with x plus 2 whole square, y with y plus 2 whole square, 3 into x is x plus 2 which is equal to 7. Now it is a plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab means 4x plus capital X है बेटा, be careful है, 4 और ये प्लस है, therefore y square plus 4y plus 4 minus 3 into x 3x plus 3 into minus 2 minus 6 is equal to 7. Now the equation is x square and y square, x terms here plus 4x minus 3x. So plus x, y single term plus 4y constant terms. 1 4 1 4, that is plus 4 plus 8 and minus 6 means plus 2, and this 7 when transformation of this side, then you will get minus 7 equal to 0. So x square plus y square plus x plus 4y minus plus 2 minus 7 हुआ है minus 5 equal to 0 is the required locus. Got it? Very good. And the last question is xy minus 2x minus 2y plus 4 equal to 0. Now ये आप सिंप्लीफाई करो बस. Replace x and y values. Just I replace करके देती हूँ. x is x plus 2, y is y plus 2 minus 2 of x plus 2 minus 2 of y plus 2 minus 4 equal to 0. Now multiply, remove the brackets, right, and simplify it. Whatever the equation you will get, that would be your locus. Correct? All the best.